This is Sangsters International Airport.
Sangsters International Airport in Montego Bay, Jamaica has a great safety record, but never relaxes when it comes to safety. Here we see the emergency personnels keeping their teams sharpened and ready, on the newly extended runway.
Cessna traffic, opposite direction, southwest of station, Cessna 206, climbing to 2,000 feet, and traffic will remain south and clear of the approach path.
Southwest 1042, copy traffic.
Southwest 1042, wind 040 degrees, 9 knots. Clear to land, runway 07.
And runway 07, Southwest 1042.
1955, Sangster Tower, continue approach, runway 07, report bold.
You in report bold, Delta 1955.
Southwest 1042, arrive 12, vacate via taxiway Bravo, and clear, contact ground 121.17.
Right turn Bravo, contact ground 121.17, Southwest 1042, good day.
1955 over bold.
1955, wind 040 degrees, 9 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
Runway 07, Delta 1955.
With 926, Sangster ground, continue approach, runway 07.
JetBlue 2126 will be ready to go at the end here for runway 07.
2126, Sangster Tower, Roger, hold short of the new holding point, runway 07.
The new holding point, runway 07, JetBlue 2126.
1955, arrive 16, vacate via taxiway Alpha, and clear ground 121.7.
Vacate via Alpha and enable ground 121.7, Delta 915, or 1955.
Southwest 926, wind 050 degrees, 8 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
07, Southwest 926.
Southwest 926, arrive 190, vacate via taxiway Alpha, and clear contact ground 121.7.
For Southwest 926.
126, line up and wait, runway 07.
Line up and wait, runway 07, JetBlue 2126.
W2126, wind 050 degrees, 8 knots, clear for takeoff, runway 07.
Takeoff, runway 07, JetBlue 2126. So 1997 is turn final for RP runway 07.
Delta 19907, Sangster will continue approach, runway 07, report passing Bolt.
Passing Bolt, continue Delta 1997.
W2126, airborne 21, contact radar 120.8, good day.
Okay, have a good day, JetBlue 2126.
Flocks of birds seen in the verge of Bravo and Charlie.
1997 copies, birds on Bravo and Charlie.
Delta 19907, wind 050 degrees, 9 knots. Clear to land, runway 07.
And runway 7, Delta 1997.
American 1015 with you for the RNAV 07, just inside you think.
And 1015, Sangster Roger, continue approach, runway 07.
Approach runway 07, American 1015.
Delta 19907, arrive 33, vacate via taxiway Bravo and clear contact ground 121.7.
8 on the Bravo, 1217, Delta 1997.
1015, wind 050 degrees, 9 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
47 American 1015.
American 1015, arrive 36, vacate Bravo, contact ground 121.7.
217 American 1015.
Ground Southwest 273, pushed off gate 2, ready to taxi with Bravo.
273, taxi Alpha to the holding point, runway 07, when ready, contact tower for departure, 118.75.
Taxi and 2 and hold short, runway 7, hold short line, and we'll contact tower. Have a good day, Southwest 273. Tower, Southwest 273 at the holding point, runway 7, ready for takeoff.
273, sangsters tower, wind 050 degrees, 9 knots, clear for takeoff, runway 07.
Clear for takeoff, runway 7, Southwest 273.
611 Juliet. Approaching around now.
6 November Juliet, sangster tower, continue on the left base, runway 07.
Was recleared straight in, but continue for left base, November Juliet.
JetBlue 7700 just approaching Usain for the RNAV 7, RP7.
Blue 779er, sangster tower, continue approach, runway 07.
07, JetBlue 7700.
You are now number 2 behind Cessna 206, 2 miles on the left base, runway 07.
779.
Romeo Juliet, wind 050 degrees, 10 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
Clear to land, 7 Juliet.
Southwest 273, airborne 45, contact radar 120.8, good day.
Good day, Southwest 273. Fair wings, 8. Wings 833. 3000 on the RMP runway 7.
Runway 833 Sangster Tower, continue approach runway 07, your number 2 in sequence via JetBlue Airbus 321 Neo, 6 miles on final.
Approach,
Juliet, arrive 47, vacate Delta, clear taxi Alpha to the ramp, monitor ground 121.7.
Vacate Delta ground 121.7, Juliet.
779er, wind 050 degrees, 9er knots, clear to land, runway 07.
07, 779.
Seven 779er, arrive 490, vacate via taxiway Bravo, wind clear, contact ground 121.7.
Vacate Bravo when clear, contact ground, 0.7, JetBlue 779.